Hello people, Greg the Wild Hip, be back again. It's updating from yesterday. I didn't go in for my operation because of this stinking cold, so that was a bit annoying, but as ill as I was last night, it probably would have killed me. So yeah, going to give you I'll give you a look at what I'm about to start on the bench this week. Yeah, let's have a look, shall we? Right, here we go. It's the Hawker P1127 prototype Harrier. Very special aeroplane to me. My grandfather helped develop these in the early 60s, I think it was, or the late 50s. He actually designed and helped design and make the air intakes, which is pretty cool. I've always wanted a model of those, one of these. Yeah, I remember Grandad telling me about it when we were at Brooklands Air Museum down in Surrey, I think it is, down there where I used to live. And I think it was actually this one, the model top, is in the museum preserved, and he got quite excited and told me all about it, which was wonderful. There's also one in the Science Museum in London, and there's one somewhere else as well that we've seen. But yeah, so it's, you know, these are quite rare now apparently. Yeah, I found it on eBay. I probably did spend a little bit too much money on it, but you know, I got it nonetheless. So yeah, let's have a look, shall we? It's a very basic kit. Yeah. There's going to be a few fit issues and stuff with it. Yeah, there's one half of the fuselage. It's got nice raised rivets all over it, which hopefully will take a wash quite nicely once I've sorted out the issue I've got with the lacquer. Have to wait till next week. That gives me plenty of time to build. Yeah, there's the other half of the fuselage. More bits. There's not many bits in this kit, and it's not massively detailed, but you know, I don't mind. I quite like a simple kit. I can do a few bits and pieces, and it's not the best one in the world. As you can see, there's a few issues with the moulding. I cleaned it up a little bit. I started it yesterday, and I thought I'd make the video today. To show you one bit, I'm going to add a bit of detail. So I've got a bit of confidence in that now from when I did the Buccaneer. I'm going to cut out the flaps and have them in the down position. And I'm going to have the exhausts in the down position, and then hang it from the ceiling as though it's hovering. Yeah, quite a few decals. Yeah, you can make two different versions of it, which is cool. They might be the only two that are left in existence, I don't know, or something, or the first two, or the last one, I don't know. I'll have to see if I can research and find out about that. And yeah, normally on this bit of the instructions with Airfix, you get a bit of bump and history about the aircraft, but there's talking about safety with the model kit and stuff. As you can see, it's only 5 stages. Yeah, annoyingly, this version of the kit for some reason didn't have the decal and decal placement and what's the word, painting instructions, so I've had to look one up online, but there's nothing really, there's nothing at all on the paintwork. It's literally just Humbrol 11, just like a nice silver colour, so that'll be easy. I've got a mix of colour for these bits, so that'll be fun. So yeah, I'll bring you back when I've done something. See you in a little while. Right, there we go. Little bench update on the Kestrel. Got a fair amount done. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see. The camera's not terribly good at close up, but they're the side wheels that go on the end of the wings, and they were more sinkhole than kit. And a big one in the front of that panel there, big one there, but that won't be seen. Yeah, and the undercarriage and other bits and pieces as well. I've painted the pilot up, and that's it's a shame this camera won't do close up as well as the phone, but never mind. Yeah, so and there's the exhaust vents. They're undercoated as well. Yeah, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to spray it all black, leave it black undercoat, because most of the colour is metallics, and metallics shine better with a black undercoat. So that's something I'm going to do in a minute. And yeah. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this one up now, and do a more update further when I get further along with the project. I'll do lots of little clips. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. Thank you very much.